All right, here at this grand opening of the Experience Center of Unity Systems, we are ready to talk with the MSI components. Got the two gentlemen, you're the country manager, and you.
I'm the manager of
MSI components, right? So, you have got the gaming stuff with a chair specifically designed for gaming, right? Some comfortable chair and notebooks, like a whole gamut of materials. Your experience of being part of this experience center, how has it been?
Yeah, it's really good. What I thought was that, in the heart of the computer market, but not being inside the compact showroom, coming out because players are in the brand. I think it's a wonderful for a brand. It gives all the value to the brand. There's a lot of space for the customer and all the brand new products on display. So I think it really gives good knowledge of it's really good what the system has done. Coming out and there's more spaces.
Right. So you're almost at the entrance. Someone walks in. You catch the limelight here, especially with your branding and the colors. What is the difference of being a part of Unity Systems, especially because no matter how you have your best products, the best services, but if you don't have that vessel of taking them to the customer, no point. So how do you see Unity Systems giving that opportunity?
Actually, Unity System is one of our main partners for laptops and components as well. Even supporting costly and giving all the support from our MSI brand team to achieve more sales target from our system. They are also supporting us from their numbers. So we are happy that he has opened a new showroom, branded showroom, and we are part of it. And we
ready for a long journey. All right.
Good luck as a brand. We said to us.
Thank you very much, MSI. All the very best in all your endeavors.